How to add this PC My Computer icon to desktop on Windows 10. So let's get started. Firstly, right-click anywhere on your desktop to pull up a small menu. If your computer has a touch screen, press and hold on the screen to access this menu. Now, click on New and Shortcut. This will open up the Create Shortcut window. Now, click Browse and find the file you would like to make a shortcut of. It may help to review the exact file location of your desired app or file so it is easy to access here. As soon as you choose the location, the box will be filled with the file path. Now, click Next. At this point, double check that you have selected the correct location for your shortcut. Rename the shortcut if you so desire. If you are happy with the default name, then feel free to leave it as it is. Then hit Finish. This confirms the name of your new shortcut and sends it to your desktop screen, and your shortcut is now ready to use. So that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.